Okay guys, it's a sad day for me today because I was like, I'm gonna go on my run, and in order to go on my run I need my running bag, which is like this fanny pack that I got a little while ago, and I can't open my car. So I'm clicking the button and I'm like, oh my god, my car's not working. I have to use the key and my car's not starting. So instead of running, which I will run in a second, you know, running for the fun of it, I actually have to run to Ace Hardware to grab myself new key batteries. So this run will be longer than I wanted, but it's okay. I'm getting close. I don't know, I still have a little bit of time, but I'm almost there. I've made it to Ace Hardware. Gotta find the batteries now. Okay, I'm trying to decide how to do this with handbag, and I'm putting in the batteries. Let's hope this works. Okay, I'm about to test out my car's battery, or check out the new key because I just replaced it. Hopefully it works. This is horrible because there's some people leaving. So this is my car, and she's bruised. I don't know. Upon watching the videos that I recorded to post to this YouTube, I realized how stupid a lot of people have to make themselves to make the video entertaining, like talking like this and making all of these things captivating for you to want to listen to me. And it's like, thank God I'm just doing this for myself, because I feel like that would be crazy. Like, I could do it for 5 minutes, and that's even a stretch. But yeah, so this is all very boring, but it doesn't matter. Quiet living. So yeah, I'm going to head to Advanced AutoZone. I got a kind Samaritan to bring me to Advanced Auto Parts. Okay guys, I got the battery, and now I'm fixing it. Got all of the things out. As you can see, there's like bugs. Okay, January, I screwed down this, and now it can't move, so that's how I know it's like secured in there. But we have to do the positive first and then the negative. But I was told that when I put it in, it's gonna spark, so I'm really scared. So I'm gonna record that, and if it sparks, then you'll know. When I put the negative in, my car's horn started going off, so that's how I know that it was the battery, not the starter, not the key fob. So now I'm gonna have to put this in. I'm feeling pretty awesome, but it's cold, so I know I'm gonna get sick. This is a little bit of a chore-ish. Okay, so I think I successfully changed my car battery. Everything is in. The only thing next to do is actually test it out. Let's open it. The green flag is that it like the horn went off when I connected the negative. So I already did this basically, but I want to do it for my YouTube. So let's. Oh yeah, isn't that crazy? Yeah, I did that. I wish I had like a before video when I actually experienced my car battery not working, because that would have been better. So yeah, thank you and bye bye.
Have a champion. Hello, car battery.
I'm at AutoZone. That's the end of the journey, guys. I'm a little crusty everywhere, but when am I not? Wow, I'm proud of myself. That was my first time doing this, so awesome.